We all know that everyone experiences pain at some point in their lives. It could be rejection, grief, or disappointment. So today's topic is how to use the power of pain to transform your life. The power of pain can be negative or positive. The negative side of pain is that it could lead to depression, anger, isolation, and self destruction. However, pain doesn't have to be a negative thing. After watching this video, you will gain more strength and motivation by turning your pain into something positive. After facing disappointments, I decided to use my pain as a weapon for change. I am telling you right now that pain can be a powerful motivator for change. The major mistake I made in my life was trusting the wrong people. I mean friends. Imagine people who could have experienced some types of betrayal such as unfaithfulness in a relationship or cheating in a marriage. We know it can be very painful, and if care is not taken, it can interfere with future relationships. But do you know what? I refuse to let the pain win. I finally realized that there was more to life than allowing the pain to take control of me. I decided to work on my spirituality. Thereafter, I directed my pain into something else by creating the life I had always wanted and achieving my goal. The power of pain added a lot of value to my life. So I began to learn to appreciate the pain. Therefore, you can take the advantage of pain by turning them into opportunities. You can do this by empowering yourself. You can take ownership of your current painful situation, overcoming it to create your own passion. So next time you are feeling pain, try to channel your pain from the negatives to the positives. Doing so will lead to feeling more positive about your life, therefore prompting you to take actions that brings positive results and opportunities. Use the power of pain to achieve your goals. You might just be surprised at what you can achieve. So use the power of pain to transform your life. So if you enjoy watching my video, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you do not miss any of my weekly updates. So see you guys again next week. Bye!